My UCAT prep was definitely not a smooth sailing, and I have definitely hit plateaus which completely threw me off my game. I think at the beginning, when you start your UCAT prep, it's very encouraging because you see rapid progress because you started off with not knowing anything and you start developing knowledge and you start feeling more confident. But then you get to a point where you start either stagnating, which can feel frustrating, or you start actually going down, which can feel very, very scary. This is how I dealt with that kind of situation. I think one thing that I realized was that I was not really looking back at my responses. I kept going and doing more questions, and that was actually causing me to burn out. So in that moment, it was really helpful to take some time off where I don't focus on UCAT, do something else for a bit, and that allowed me to really recharge myself and go back. In terms of when stagnating with question, one thing that I also found useful was when I do the same question bank over and over again, I would just simply get good at those particular questions. So changing up my question bank was also a way for me to recharge and get broader exposure to questions. The third thing that really helped me was just venting to family and friends, acknowledging that the UCAT is actually a very, very difficult test and that I should just be proud of myself for even giving it a go. So I think talking with like-minded people, reaching out to your family and friends can also be a way to avoid the stagnation. In terms of how long you study, I think that can also contribute to the plateau. I oftentimes would only do short bursts, so maximum half an hour to 1 hour. I thought that, if I do any more than that, of course, beyond doing mocks, I would oftentimes feel very tired, and that would actually result in poor accuracy and loss of motivation. So that was another way for me to navigate this challenge of plateauing.